Hey, it's Alexi, and in this video we'll be having a bit of fun with the multi-poly. We'll be checking out the voice count here, so the maximum polyphony and how many voices you can actually expect to get out of the multi-poly module here. And we'll be using just a basic init performance here. I'll be keeping the volume down because no one wants to listen to dozens of voices sounding at the same time. So what we'll be doing here is we'll be cranking the release and going into the utility here. And I will show you, we're actually, this is our system stats page, which is showing our CPU usage, the temperature, the sounding voices and voice stealing as well. I'll be showing you here in the perform menu. We are using standard oversampling right now, so we should be getting the maximum amount of voices. Now I will start playing my keyboard here, and we will just keep adding voices until we reach the maximum. Okay, we are at 36 voices, and we'll keep going. Okay, 61 voices. That is my entire keyboard right now. And we'll go down an octave and add more voices. 70, 71, 72 sounding voices. And now we start stealing voices here. So our maximum with one oscillator, nothing else going on. Basically, our maximum voices are 72. And I think Korg is advertising 60, so this is more than they actually are officially advertising here. And bring on the release because no one wants to listen to that. Now, next we will go in here and set our oversampling to extreme and go back to the utility here. Crank the release, and then we'll check our voice count in extreme oversampling. We'll start playing our keyboard again. Voices 17, 25, 30 voices. I would expect this to basically have the voice count. 36 voices, 37, okay, we start stealing voices at around 48 to 50 voices here. So we reach 50, actually go higher, 54, and then it starts to steal voices and steals more voices. So around 48 voices is maximum for extreme oversampling with just one oscillator. Now let's forget about the extreme oversampling, go back to standard oversampling, and we will enable our oscillators, all 4 oscillators. Bring down the volume once again and do another pass at this one. Let's see, 30, 32, 36 voices, 46. Let's see if we can get our keyboard here. 60 voices. Okay, so when you have all 4 oscillators enabled, we get 60 voices. So basically, if you have more than one oscillator, which you usually maybe would, you can expect to have 60 voices. Now, for the Next one, we will add in filter B here. So now we have two filters working, and we will go again here. So we added a filter model here. Just go for the entire keyboard here. Okay, we get 48. So filter models are basically eating into the voice count here. Actually quite a bit, which makes sense. They're probably quite expensive to run. So with 4 oscillators and 2 filters enabled, you can expect to have around 48 voices. Now we'll add noise. So noise generator, turn that down, and let's go for the ring mode as well. So right now we have noise and ring mode and all oscillators. Let's do sync as well, and why not cross mode? Add a bit of cross mode here. And basically all the trimmings here. And we'll go for another pass here and bring up the release, of course. Now, let's see how many voices we get out of this one. 36. Again, 48. But it will reduce the voice count more when we reach the maximum again. So basically you get almost as many voices as before with the 4 oscillators and 2 filters, but now it will steal a whole bunch of voices at once. It's probably panicking here. And turn that down again. So what else can we do here? We could add audio rate modulation to the filters here. So let's do that for both filters and see what happens. Okay, this will probably sound absolutely terrible. Let's go and another pass at how many voices can we get here? 36, 40, 42. So we can get up to 42 voices. 43, 44. We can actually get higher. It seems to depend on something. I don't know what it is, but it's less predictable right now. Although we have all of these things going on. Okay, next up we'll do one more experiment here. We will turn up the intensity on all of our LFOs here. Like this. Okay. And on the envelopes as well, why not? So all of our LFOs, well, except the pulse width, because we have to have a pulse wave here. We'll turn that up as well. So all of our LFOs are running and actually modulating parameters, and all of our envelopes are modulating parameters as well. And again, we'll set the amp envelope to release 90 and check our voice count. Okay. 36 voices, 38. So modulation doesn't really appear to be affecting it at all. Okay, so that's it for this fun little video on the maximum voice count on the multi-poly, so you get quite a lot of voices out of this. You will lose a lot of polyphony once you start to add things like the filters, more filter models. They're running basically a filter per voice. So if you're running 2 filters per voice, you will use more CPU, and of course the audio rate modulation and everything is using more CPU. And the big thing is the extreme oversampling. Okay, so if this silly little video was useful at all, I hope you like and or subscribe, and I will see you again soon.